Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. My name is Big E. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new colorway in the Casio G-Shock Octagon shape Casio. Now, this one goes for 160 bucks. It's the GAB2100FC-1A with module 5689. This one is awesome. It includes Bluetooth and carbon core guard structure. This one is also tough solar, as you can see right here, and as you can see the symbol for Bluetooth right here. This one has it all. Now let's just run down some of the features real quick. You get 200 meters of water resistance because this is a G-Shock. You have a backlight display and an LED light over here at 430. You have your real time mode, you have your stopwatch, you have your alarms, you have your countdown timer, and you have the day, date, and also this includes a perpetual calendar, so you'll never have to worry about setting this. This connects to your phone via Bluetooth on the Casio app, and it's always going to be correct. Now, the hands do have Neo Bright, and let me light that up and show it to you. Not that you need it, because this does have a backlight. Now, that's going to be your transitioning loom, and of course, if anytime you want to know what time it is, you just push that light button, and it lights up really bright. Now, this is called the Colorful Splash. Because you have these splashes of color, 2 pops of red, also red Bluetooth sign, yellow received for your Bluetooth settings, and then your mode start button, light, and adjust button are going to be in yellow and blue. So this one is pretty cool. It has it all. Very comfortable resin strap on here, pin buckle. And it's only $160. It's available right now at azfinetime.com. They're in stock now. They have the black and also they have the white colorway. So if you're interested in this, contact those guys. It's available right now at arizonafinetime.com. My name is Big E. God bless. Please subscribe. And as usual, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.